Here we have question 3. We're going to find the measure of this exterior angle of ACD. The exterior angle of ACD is right here. Labeling it right here. This is the exterior angle. All right, so we have to set up an equation, but for us to set up the equation, we need to figure out a certain property that allows us to set up the equation. What we have here is an exterior angle, but we also have two interior angles. There is an interesting property that we can write. Did you know that the angle of the interior plus the other angle of the other interior is going to be equal to the angle of the exterior? That is the equation for the exterior angle property. So now we can just make the substitution. The first interior is x, the other interior is 31. That's going to be equaling to that exterior of 2x minus 8. Now we can solve. Minus x to both sides because I'm trying to get the variable on one side. This is going to cancel. 31 is equal to x minus 8. To get rid of the minus 8, we add 8 to both sides. This gets you 39 is equal to x. Since we have x, are we done? No, because we still need to find what angle ACD is. Angle ACD is defined in this equation as 2x minus 8. Now we just have to make that substitution. So 39 goes in for x. Now we've just plugged this into the calculator. 2 times 39 minus 8, that's going to get you 70 degrees. So this angle here is really 70 degrees. So angle ACD is 70 degrees. Right? This equation is going to be super useful for us because we're going to do it right here too. Okay. Let's just label it so we can see what I'm referring to. This is the exterior angle of ACD. And here are your two interior angles, 38 and 7x plus 1. So let's write the substitution here. The interior angle here, it is 38. We're going to add the other interior angle of 7x plus 1. That's going to be equaling to the exterior of 10x plus 9. All right, we're trying to get the variable on one side, so let's get rid of the smaller variable. So we're going to minus 7x to both sides. This cancels, leaving me with a 38 plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 9. Look, there's some like terms. 38 plus 1 becomes 39. I rewrite all the other steps. Minus 9 to both sides. This cancels, leaving me with a 30 is equal to 3x. Now I divide by 3 to both sides. 3 over 3 cancels, leaving me with an x is equal to 10. I do still want to solve for the angle. We know that angle ACD in this problem is defined by the expression of 10x plus 9. I can now make the substitution of 10 into the x, and now I can plug this into the calculator. Angle ACD is going to be defined as 10 times 10 plus 9. That gets me a value of 109 degrees. Now let's look at angle C. Okay. I'm still looking for this angle measurement out here. I don't know what it is though. That's interesting enough. Well, I can't use that exterior equation. I can't use this one. Interior plus interior equals exterior. Well, I have another one though. I have all my triangle sum theorem. All my angles on my inside adds up to 180. So I know that x plus 90 plus angle A, which is 2x minus 21, has to add up to 180. Let's combine some like terms. X and 2x becomes 3x. 90 minus 21, that becomes 69. So plus 69 equaling to 180. Let's solve for x. So we minus 69 to both sides. This cancel. 3x is equal to 180 minus 69. This gets you 111. Divide by 3, divide by 3. This cancels. X is equal to 111. Divide by 3. That gets you 37. So we know that this here, this angle is 37. Why is this useful? Because did you see this here? This is actually a linear pair. This question mark adds with 37 to equal to 180. So this question mark is going to be 180 minus 37. That gets you the angle measurement of 143. So angle DCA is equal to 143 degrees. So there you go. The first two will require the exterior angle theorem. Interior plus interior equals exterior. But the third one requires you to use triangle sum and a linear pair equation.